I didn't realize my apartment was messing with my mind until I moved out. Same job, same routine, same sleep, but something changed. I felt lighter, clearer, less anxious for no obvious reason. At first, I thought it was just a phase. Later, I understood something deeper. Your home is not just where you live. It actively shapes how you think, feel, and behave. Most people never notice it happening. I used to live in a small apartment that always felt slightly off. The lighting was harsh, the walls were dull, and my desk faced a blank wall. Nothing was obviously wrong, but over time I noticed patterns. I procrastinated more. I felt tired even after sleeping well, and I avoided staying at home. I blamed stress or routine, but the real influence was the space itself. The brain is constantly reading its environment for signals: safety, control, and energy. Architecture becomes a silent language. It responds to all day. Low light signals rest. Clutter signals unfinished tasks. Tight spaces increase stress. Natural light improves alertness. You don't consciously notice it. Your nervous system reacts first. That's why two people can feel completely different in the same room. Light is one of the strongest influences on mood. It controls your internal clock. Morning natural light helps regulate energy and focus through hormone balance. But dim, artificial lighting confuses the body. You feel tired at the wrong times and lose structure in your day. It's not laziness, it's biology reacting to design. Clutter works in a similar way. Even if you ignore it consciously, your brain registers every unfinished object or mess as open loops. That creates cognitive load, like having too many apps running in the background. The result is mental fatigue, irritability, and reduced focus, even when nothing urgent is happening. Sometimes a room feels uncomfortable without any clear reason. This usually comes from poor balance. Low ceilings, dark colors, bad airflow, or no visual focal point. The brain prefers structure. When a space lacks it, your mind struggles to settle. I decided to experiment without changing my apartment. I adjusted lighting to something warmer. I cleared visual clutter from my main view. I also moved my desk near a window. No renovation, just small shifts. The change was immediate. Better focus, lower stress, and more time spent at home without forcing it. That's when it clicked. Design is neurological, not just visual. Over time, your environment doesn't just affect mood, it shapes identity. A chaotic space normalizes chaos. A structured space encourages clarity and order. You don't just live in your environment, you slowly adapt to it. Architecture already plays with this. High ceilings feel open and creative. Narrow spaces increase focus, but can feel tense. Open layouts encourage movement. Closed rooms encourage introspection. Your emotions are being influenced before you even realize it. Comfort is often misunderstood in design. A soft or cozy room can still drain energy if it lacks balance. Too much stimulation creates anxiety. Too little creates fatigue. The best spaces sit between the two. That balance is what most homes miss.
If this content helped you, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. If you want to support the project, you can use Super Thanks. Any amount helps keep this content alive and growing. Thank you for watching and being here.